Then we move to our second topic, that is post-prayer talk. Now we know what is prayer. In all the schools or educational institutions, the school and the institution begins their day with prayer assembly. You know that. And when there is prayer, at the end of the prayer, there will be a talk. There will be some presentation in the prayer. That is called post prayer talk. After prayer, that is post prayer talk. We have all these experiences, so it will be very easy for you. For example, morning assembly is the perfect platform to share knowledge. Apart from that, bookish knowledge that we give in the classroom. So when there is a post prayer talk, we can talk about variety of topics. And or not only teachers can talk in the post prayer talk, the students can also talk. They present themselves, give them opportunity to speak in the prayer assembly. Give them opportunity. The ideas discussed in the morning assembly must be useful to students' daily life. You should not talk anything. But whatever you discuss in post prayer talk, because the students expect from the teacher that it will be very useful to them, it should be motivating to them. So what should they discuss about? Healthy food habits, value of life, ethics in life, stories of great people, saints. This will motivate them. You should discuss that. You can also discuss about information, about science facts, about space facts, about anything other knowledgeable subjects. That will motivate the student to explore more. You can also talk about personality management, personality development. For example, character, success, patience, time management. Never lose hope in your life, hard work, values, whatever it is. So you should focus on such topics in post prayer talk. We can also give importance to some special days. Every day we have a special day, a birth of a special person or death of a special person. We have a consumer day, we have environment day, we have water day, we have recently we had science day. So there are many days, many weeks. So you can also celebrate special days, and you can have special prayer, post prayer talk on those topics. The post prayer talk will be very interesting if you celebrate special days. It will captivate the audience. It will motivate the students to take part in post prayer talk. It will cater to the interest of all the students. What should you keep in mind? Whenever you are giving the speech in post prayer talk, make it short. Many times the talk goes on for more than an hour, 50 minutes, 30 minutes. That speech is too long in post prayer talk. It should be very short and sweet. Sometimes what happens, even a teacher goes on talking in post prayer talk, that it may consume 2 or 3 lectures and periods. So it will disturb the whole timetable of the school. So always make your speech very short. And as I told you, the subject should be very much related to the student. Majority of the students should get benefited from that subject. What else can you do? You can also have thought for the day in post prayer talk, current affairs. You can have discussion in the post prayer talk, debate in the post prayer talk. You can have motivational story, inspirational story from a book. You can have a reading paragraphs from a very good book. You can have anything in post prayer talk, but it must be a talk. It should motivate students to speak. I have presented a common format how to give post prayer talk or how to address the audience. For example, you can start, if you are a student, you can start. Good morning, good afternoon, classmates, good morning, teachers. My name is, you say your name, from this class. Today I have been chosen. It's my turn. I have been given the opportunity. Today I will present a fascinating fact to you all. Now then you will say the facts. I hope you enjoyed my fact. Thank you. Then also you can say like this. A very warm good morning to all. Myself, so and so, from class so and so. Today I'm here to represent my views on the topic and then start giving your views. So this is how you can start your post prayer talk. This is the common format, but you can change it.